Since 2004, Spon Communications has been the leading provider of audio technology solutions in the field of IoT. With over 20 years of experience in researching, designing, developing and manufacturing IP audio communication systems, we offer a range of innovative solutions and products, including voice paging, IP emergency call box, conference systems and noise detective to meet the needs of our customers. Combining public address and intercom technology leads to convenient and intelligent interaction. In emergency situations, one-touch alarm functionality enables faster support and assistance. Leveraging advanced technology for accurate acoustic detection through MEMS microphone array, our noise detective system can precisely identify illegal noise-making vehicles. This system has wide applications in traffic systems to mitigate noise in urban areas. Digital speaking, professional audio reinforcement, intelligent control, conference reservation, paperless conferences, and remote video conferencing make meetings more flexible and efficient, fitting all types of conferences. Spon continues to innovate and offer a diverse range of customized products. Our applications cover various fields, including education, finance, traffic, museums, shopping malls, factories, hospitals, parks, and more. Spon is a leading innovator in the audio technology industry, possessing a range of cutting-edge capabilities for research and development. With advanced technologies such as the MEMS array detect system, specific noise cancellation, and audio digitization, Spon is at the forefront of audio innovation. We pride ourselves on promoting new products that meet the demands of global markets, staying ahead of the curve by researching and anticipating emerging trends in both markets and core technologies. Our basic development department is staffed by pioneering experts who are always pushing the boundaries of what is possible, constantly exploring new avenues for growth and development. Our product development department is responsible for bringing these visions to life, executing the specific development of all kinds of products, tailored to the unique needs of each customer. At Spon, we believe in providing a customized service to our customers, working closely with them to create bespoke products from software design to hardware framework, industrial design, and customized development. To ensure the highest quality of our products, we have invested in state-of-the-art laboratory facilities and cutting-edge detective equipment. Our acoustic laboratory is designed to achieve a theoretical, non-reflective sound environment, allowing us to research acoustics and adjust audio tasks, always targeted at maximizing the acoustic performance of each kind of product. With our unwavering commitment to innovation and quality, Spon is your ideal partner for all of your audio technology needs. Our international, environment-friendly smart factory is equipped with an extremely precise automatic production line to improve both the quantity and the quality of our products. We're committed to providing trustworthy quality and service to our global customers. Spon's products have been distributed to hundreds of countries and regions, including America, Africa, the Middle East, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Spon is accelerating its global strategic distribution efforts by actively building a diverse and cooperative community in the IoT space, leading the innovation of digitization and intelligence. Our goal is to create an IoT ecosystem that emphasizes the importance of voice for security and connectivity.